Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, y'all don't be mad. Do not be mad at me. I did not film me actually doing these twists. Do not click out the video, please. Please don't click out the video because I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I did, and we're going to take it down, so you're going to get to see all that. But I'm really going to talk about it. The reason I didn't film, guys, just to give you a good idea, I had a very bad day, and I was in a very bad mood, and I was like, I'm not coming on camera in a bad mood. It's going to reflect, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, I'm not going to do that. But I got in the shower, and I used this combo. This is a shampoo and conditioner. This is a shampoo and conditioner that I got from Marshall's? TJ Maxx? One of those stores. I think it was TJ Maxx. I went in the hair department. It's not even English. I will try to find it. It's called Noor Divine Curls. I don't know, but this stuff smells really good, so I like it. There is no silicone, sulfates, or parabens in these products, so I like them. And then I went in with the deep conditioner. I used the Eco Styler deep conditioner that I used in my other video, the Eco Styler video, and I love this stuff. And I still got a lot, and it's so creamy. I love it. This stuff right here is so good, y'all. If y'all can get your hands on this deep conditioner, it's really good. It's the one with cannabis and sativa oil, but I like it. So after I let that sit, I kind of just like showered after that. After I let that sit in my hair for about 5 minutes or so, it was honestly ready to come out. My hair felt so smooth. So I rinsed that out, and I just went in with the Camille Rose Coconut Water Leave-In Detangling Hair Treatment. So I went in with this bad boy. This stuff is really lightweight, but it smells amazing. It kind of gives me the same vibes as this. They all three of these smell like a banana popsicle to me. And I like it. So yeah, I went in with this, and then I got out of the shower, and that's when I used the Wetline Extreme Gel. Y'all ain't told me about this yet. Y'all ain't tell me about it, and I'm disappointed, okay? I used it for my twist today, y'all. Look at my twist. Don't they look so good? They look so good. So I cannot wait to do a wash and go using that gel. But for right now, I'm just about to take these bad boys out. I did them yesterday. I need a hair tie. Go ahead and. So I did them really, really small, as you guys can see, because first of all, I wanted them to dry quickly. And second of all, I wanted that. Do you all see that? That's definition. All I had to do was separate it. I shouldn't have to like separate too much because they're already small. But I can. And if I do, I got a feeling that they are going to be so freaking cute. And y'all know, if y'all been sticking with me for a long minute, y'all already know that I do not like twist outs. But I think my mind has been changed. I think I've just been doing them too big, and I had to do them a little bit smaller. Maybe not this small. I don't think I have to go this small, but just do them a little smaller than normal. So yeah, I don't have much to talk about, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and continue to take these down and let you guys watch. And then we'll talk some more when I come back.
Headed to the car, say yes or no, 'cause I'm on the road.
Wait a minute, my battery's low. Let me. Alright.
See you, I can see you. Said I really wanna come to you. Don't worry about a thing. Just wanting to hold you, embrace you. I want to catch you.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It took a long time to take these things out. But I got a real good feeling that these are gonna last me for a while. Oh my goodness, y'all. It's cute. Let me just make sure I twirl these ends the right way, though. Y'all, this is too cute. This is the very first successful twist out. Successful. Where's my pick? Oh my god, I really like it, guys. I really like it. Yo, guys. Okay, so, I mean, all the products that I used worked out perfectly. But I really gotta give the props to this Wetline Extreme Gel. What? Like, it's so freaking cute. Let me give you guys a close-up. So, that is it, guys. That is my hair. I love it. I love it so much. It came out super cute. So, let me know if you want me to do more twist outs now that I know how to do them. Like a detailed, like, you know, step by step. I'm probably going to be finding little pieces I can separate for the next hour or so. Yeah, guys, if you want me to actually recreate this look, if I played you by doing this video and just doing the takedown, if you feel played right now, I want you to like this video. And then I want you to comment below that you feel played, and I got you. Just do that. Like the video. Let me know that you feel played, and I got you, okay? Because I feel like I played y'all. I really do. I do feel like that. But this was really like a... I'm angry, so I'm just going to twist my hair because I'm mad type of hairstyle. Literally, that's what it was a stress reliever because I don't know. I like to do my hair when I'm stressed, okay? So, yeah. I feel like I need to go take some pictures now because I'm cute or whatever. So, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.